Good morning, beautiful people.
Hey everyone.
We've got something very special prepared.
Today we are catching a tour along the Bosporus River. I don't know if it is river.
We're going to go on a Bosporus cruise. We're going to put on our salty legs, our salty sea legs.
We decided not to go out in the middle of the day and waited until the afternoon.
Oh, actually first, we need to go to the post office. I've got a whole bunch of junk, which I kind of want to keep, which I'm sending back to South Africa. So Vanna, be prepared for a parcel. You don't know it yet. And after that, we've got a little bit of a something special planned for the late afternoon.
So stay tuned.
The tram system here kicks ass. It's amazing. Saw somebody that did not apply awesome cream of sun protection plus 50 because she was red.
No, that's another kind of red. Like she's almost plum fuchsia red.
Yeah, she's a hurtin', there's no doubt about that.
That is not happening to me.
Yeah, we've already lubed up. I think we are good to go. But we'll have to recoat a couple of times as the day goes by, I'm sure.
So we found the Grand Post Office. Found another Balik being renovated.
I mean, we're not even visiting this one for its looks, but still being renovated. We are good at this game. Finding renovation is our speciality. I need to run to catch a boat now. Woo!
Yeah, there's still time. We can make it. It wasn't that bad. It's my jam.
These things are so tasty. Goodness, I need my sea legs. This is gonna be rough.
It's not that bad.
There's also a distinct possibility that we just bought like tickets from a random person and we're gonna get thrown off this boat.
Maybe.
So let's enjoy that while it lasts. Yarr, me salty sea dogs.
Yeah, I think if you get seasick, you shouldn't do this.
Yeah, this thing is rocky.
It's awesome.
And it's a big boat, it's not tiny. But we'll see. So Jeanette was saying that she doesn't enjoy how angry people are here. And we've had some really interesting experiences with security. I mean, we try our very best to always be like on the right side, so to speak. So we always make sure that we don't do anything wrong. So if there's like a no camera sign or something, we toss the camera like really quickly. But we've been confronted by a couple of security officers that are just genuinely like super angry.
Super angry. I don't know why.
And it's weird. How can you be angry at this face? In this face? I mean, come on. Back to like solid ground. Yeah, interesting boat ride. I mean, the boat itself is really cool and it's super cheap. It's like 15 lira per person. I mean, what is that? How much is that? Do the math.
Times 3, 45 rand per person. So 40 rand-ish.
Yeah, really cool. Really, really amazing. And then we met a really awesome dude from Zimbabwe.
Yes, Bruce was really cool.
Yeah, Bruce is cool, man. I like Bruce.
He used to live in Cape Town and now he's living in Turkey on the eastern side, and he just happened to be visiting.
So we might have to come back at some point in time to visit him on the eastern side. But first,
exciting stuff right now.
We're gonna do a
DIY food tour.
Food tour.
One Simit.
So first on the list is
a snack you will have to have. This is a cross between, well, it's not a pretzel, but it's
like a bread with toasted sesame seeds. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be like a pre-appetizer. Crunchy.
It has like really strong roasted sesame flavor.
No, so it's almost like a peanut buttery taste, really good. But that is only to like give us a little bit of a snack until we get to the next place. Don't worry, there's better stuff going.
And for us, we have the Turkish tea, which you have with everything. It's delicious. The two on
Kerbendeki lastik
our
la.
menu, delicious fish sandwich. Inside this beautiful baguette you have salad and a grilled fish. It smells delicious. Okay, here we go. That is really tasty. Like the fish flavor is really subtle. It just tastes like really delicious smoked fish. There's some onion in here. It's really good. I like it.
So we're now on the underside of that, where there's a whole bunch of restaurants around the side. And if you look at the people, pretty much most of the people are eating these little fish bread sandwiches.
They're really tasty.
They are. It's a nice light snack. Yeah, but the place that we went was really nice. I think it's called Yunus or something, Yunus Cafe or something. And the gent offered us some extra tea, and
For free.
it's like super nice. I mean, I like it when people give me stuff. I'm a simple man.
But now we're heading to stop number 3. Something I'm actually really excited about because we haven't been able to find it yet, which is why today I made it a mission to go get this stuff.
I'm sure it's everywhere, but we being the terrible tourists that we are, we keep on missing the obvious stuff. So we're gonna go find it now. Today we learned that this Turkish ice cream that you see pretty much posted everywhere is actually a goat milk ice cream, which I did not know. And it gives us like a super elastic,
Consistency or texture.
yeah, that thing.
Texture.
Weird, real weird. We haven't tried it though, because I'm worried
yeah.
that somebody's gonna keep on taking my bloody cone when I just want an ice cream. So. We get lost, it's Jeanette's fault.
As Jannie said earlier, it's probably everywhere, but I've honestly struggled to find this beautiful flatbread called the Pide. We're getting the mixed one, and I'm excited. It's basically flatbread and stuffed with yummy, delicious stuff.
But they don't just like throw everything into one, they actually segment, so you don't have to actually worry about like the flavors mixing. Also, if you didn't know, Turkey is hot. If I look sweaty, it's because I am. We've been in Turkey for about like 7 days, and this is the first time we've managed to get Turkish flatbread. We've got some tomato mixture here. It's tomato, onion, I think I see a little bit of basil mixed in with, let's just give it a taste. Yeah, it's like a sambals almost. A little bit of spiciness to it, definitely some pepper, definitely some like chili or something, and Jeanette's gonna love it. This is probably wrong, but that tastes like yogurt mixed with hummus or something. Really cool. So what we have here is the pide. I can't remember what the name was for the mix, but it's the mixed pide. So we effectively have one side with like, it looks like green pepper, red pepper and tomato and some either chicken or beef mince. And then we've got a cheesy side here with a Turkish sausage. This is not salami or something. I know very well that this is a Turkish sausage, I just don't know which one it is. I'm sure this is going to be amazing. And then another side which again looks like chopped up peppers and onions and stuff with another type of meat. Don't know what it is. Oh, it's hot. I have no idea what that is. But it's really tasty. The crust is not like a pizza. It's far more flaky, way more flaky than a pizza would be. In Turkey they call them pitas. I don't know if these are actually close to a pita, but really good.
And so, because it's me, I have to try the tomatoey side first. Just have to. That is super tasty. So it's got some spice. Once again, it reminds me a little bit of chorizo, not completely, but the same flavor profile. It's got like a little bit of spiciness to it. The tomatoes are super juicy, and I love pepper.
Okay, and finally, we have the cheesy, meaty, oily goodness. There is a surprising amount of flavor in that tiny little bit of sausage and cheese. Like, there's actually like herby flavors coming out of that, not just pure meat and cheese. The sausage doesn't look all that exciting, but it's pretty damn tasty. That's amazing. Really good. Jeanette, where are you going?
I'm just walking.
I must admit, we need to get better at this food tour thing because I'm already stuffed. So
Yes, and the foods we've been having are kind of snacks. It's not even the full meals.
Yeah.
We're kind of skipping on that because we honestly just don't have the space. Oh my goodness.
we're definitely going to have to do some stomach exercises. And by that I mean eat more. But we're going to see you back at our next destination. And we're back. Finishing up with some
Dessert. The best part of its work. So, we've got a mixed plate with baklava. I believe the middle one is just the pistachio one. I don't actually know what the other two flavors are, but they look absolutely delicious. So I'm going to start with this one first.
And we've got it topped off with some delicious Turkish tea because this stuff is the bomb diggity and you should have it everywhere. This is really tasty. Like, it's not even salted yogurt, it's like, it just has a little bit of like a saltiness to it. But I mean, it's a very tangy, like almost like a yogi sip type of beverage. Super good.
It's really refreshing. I like that a lot. So here we go. Oh, look at that syrup. Oh, that looks amazing. I love pastry, filo pastry so much. Let's give this a go. It's obviously soaked in syrup, but it's really subtle. It's not overpoweringly sweet. It's just enough to get the tongue salivating. It's really good. This is the full pistachio one. Oh, look at that. This one is so good. It almost has a bit like marzipan. It has the consistency of marzipan, so it's a bit thicker. This one's nice. I like the middle one so much. And then the last one, it kind of looks like a cake.
With chocolate in it.
Yeah. Looks like it has a chocolate base. Let's have a look. Oh, so sticky. Look at those layers. This is like a chocolate brownie. So they've taken something deliciously nutty with a very subtle sweet syrup and they added chocolate. This one is the best. I don't think Yanni's going to like this one, which is perfect for me because it means I get to have it.
And just like that, another day has gone. And we're back where we started. It's amazing.
Funny that. And so ends our last day in Istanbul on a successful note, I would say.
Yeah, the food was actually really good. I had a really good time with the food today. The boat trip was awesome as well. Sorry we didn't get to show you a lot of that. We were engaged in some conversation for the majority of it.
Unintentionally, but you know how it is.
But it was still cool. I really enjoyed meeting Bruce. Bruce was an awesome guy.
Yes, it was really fun meeting.
Hi Bruce, if you're watching. Also, the baklava was really good. It's really an awesome spot that it's the same haunt that we went for the breakfast. I'll leave the name for the place in the description below. It was a good day. Tasty food.
It's a really popular bakery. That place is packed in the mornings and people come in and get boxes of the stuff.
Yeah, always. Anywho, tomorrow we need to check out relatively early because we need to get to the airport to lounge there, I think, and do some work. So without further ado, as Barbie would say.
Thanks for stepping away with us.
And remember to stay awesome.
And we'll see you next time.